Welcome to Delft Stack Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to blur your home on Google Maps to protect your privacy. First, open Google Maps in your browser and search for your home address. Switch to Street View by dragging the yellow Pegman onto your street. Once your home appears in Street View, locate the Report a Problem option in the bottom corner. Click Report a Problem to open the Street View Issue Report page. Select what you want Google to blur, such as your home, a face, or another object. Choose My Home and confirm that you have the authority to request the blurring as the property owner. Keep in mind that blurring is permanent and cannot be undone, so proceed carefully. Enter your email address, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and submit the request. This is a simple way to keep your home location private on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.